Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to assemble the Babyhood Aliya cot. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, Aliya. Either way, I'm going to assemble this cot. Whoa, check out this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to finish it. Yes, even I have to read the instructions. Not this one. If I run the Allen key and then there's something that would poke out, this pin, that would go into this hole. When that pin here in the center goes into this hole, that disables the drop side. It's probably the only cot we know that you can disable a drop side, but there's a drop side. It's really good to use, so I'm definitely not going to disable it. Okay, and now I'm just going to, that's it. That's holding for now, and we'll do the other side. Okay, so I made a mistake. Look, I have the panel on the wrong way around. Where the logo is, it should be on the outside. I have it on the inside. Now I have to reassemble this. Okay, so when putting the drop side in, make sure that the logo is facing outwards. Okay, and then I'm just going to do this. It's much easier to do it now than later, I find. And then slide it down, and I'm going to have to put the pin in. And that's in. That's a bit high. That's stuff up. Okay, so that's in. Okay, let's put the base on. I'm going to preload some of these screws. We can set it at the higher level or the lower level. I always like to set mine at the higher level just because that's where you started off for the first 6 months, and then after that you put it down to a lower mattress base level. Hey, this is the mattress base panel. Make sure it's the right side up, okay? Don't get it wrong. If you get it wrong, it's very uncomfortable and it's probably not safe. Lower it down. So I'm just going to put this nut in here through this hole, and it should join back onto here. Just wiggle a little bit. Yep, turn it in, and we are just going to go like that. It doesn't have to be tight, not for now anyway, later, once all the panels are in, okay? So we are going to finish off with the fixed panel, and all we need to do is just put it in. So what I like to do, because I'm doing it by myself, the screws, I just pre-load it, especially at the top ones, and then basically I just put it into place and push it in, and then lightly screw it. And I mean, that does a pretty good trick. Otherwise, if you've got someone else to help you at home, that's much easier to do. But this is how it's done when you're doing it by yourself. You preload these, make sure that it doesn't poke through, and all I'm going to do now, so it's all, the screws are kind of pre-loaded, sitting loosely in place. I'm going to put it in and then see if I can match the hole. Whoa, that's actually the wrong thing. So this one actually has up and down. It's funny, there's actually no signage to tell you which one's up and down, which one's top and bottom. So I just realized I put the screws in and then it's poking up. So obviously, how are we going to do this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I got it. And my screws didn't come out. That's pretty neat. Okay, hold on. It comes out. Okay. So I'm going to put it into place. Match the screw with the hole. That's gone in. That's going to hold for now. Over this side as well. Damn it. Bit on the tight side, isn't it? Bugger. Okay, cool. That's gone in. And then now all I'm going to do is tighten it up and that's it. Okay, now it's time to test the drop side, because what happens is sometimes if we over tension the base, it pushes it so hard that the drop side might be quite tight. So sometimes you might have to loosen the tension a little bit on the mattress base to give that movement. And then look, the movement it's okay. It would improve over time as you do it, but if you really want it smooth, you can spray a bit of silicone spray, but to be honest, it's actually quite good. But it's all about just loosening the tension and don't over tight it. Otherwise, that's the problem with a mechanical moving cot. You kind of have to have just the right tension. And again, as I said, you can lock this drop side just by putting the Allen key through this, tightening it through, and then this drop side will be locked permanently. One more thing we need to do. As we have opted to put the mattress base at the higher level, which is sometimes called a bassinet level, there's also another hole that's exposed. Just for the sake of safety and also so you don't lose your screws over time, these extra caps, rather than keeping it aside, I'm just going to put it in. It looks better, and also when it's ready, when it's time to put it down, I'll just move it to the other position so we won't lose it, but also it's required, especially when the base is at the lower level.